Understanding Palette Knife, an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase palette knife. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a culinary expert, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive in and understand what a palette knife is, its various uses, and how it's different from other knives. A palette knife is a tool with a very specific design and purpose. It has a flat, thin blade and no sharp edges, making it distinct from your typical kitchen knife. The term palette knife is often associated with two main fields, art and cooking. In art, it's used to mix paint colors on a palette, hence the name. Artists also use it to apply thick layers of paint onto a canvas, creating a textured effect. In cooking, it serves a similar purpose but in a culinary context. Here, it's used to mix ingredients, spread creams or icings on cakes, and sometimes even to flip delicate food items. In the art world, the palette knife is a beloved tool among painters. It's not just for mixing paints. It's a creative instrument. Artists use it to apply paint in a way that creates texture and layering. The technique involves spreading, dabbing, or scraping paint across the canvas. This method adds dimension and a tactile quality to artworks, making the palette knife an essential tool for many artists. In cooking, a palette knife, often referred to as a spatula, is versatile. It's commonly used for spreading icings and creams on cakes, smoothing batter in pans, or gently lifting and turning delicate food items like fish fillets. Its broad and flexible blade makes it perfect for tasks requiring precision and gentleness, unlike the more common cutting or chopping knives. So there you have it. The phrase, palette knife, refers to a tool used in both art and cooking, known for its flat, blunt blade. It's a perfect example of how one item can have multiple uses across different domains. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your journey of English language learning. Stay curious and keep learning.